Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about can Redmi Note 14 5G smartphone uh, can be used as a remote controller. Let's see we can make or not. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First let's download the app from the Play Store. I have already downloaded. You can see MI remote controller for TV. You can just add remote by clicking on this add remote, and you can use as MI TV, MI box, TV, setup box, AC, fan, smart box, receiver, DVD player, projector, and even as a camera. You can just select the camera and it will be selected. And yes, you can. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.